What's up, you guys? Thank you so much for tuning back into another TIY Sundays. Yes, I said TIY, and TIY stands for try it yourself. And I basically just take fashion that I no longer want and turn it into something of my liking. So a little background, I love fashion and I love art and I love things that are very abnormal, weird, and just strange. And it's hard for me to find fashion that fits my canvas because I am an artist. So I decided to just create something new. So if you choose to recreate this look, give me credit for it and let me know how you would style it. So for this simple DIY fashion revamp, all you will need is 2 pair of jeans. You will also need a pen or a marker and needle and thread, and you will need scissors. But thank you so much for watching my DIY Fashion Sunday. If you like, please give the Hangout a huge subscription. It would definitely help the channel a whole lot. And I'll see you all next week. Bye. So the moment you all have been waiting for, keep in mind, this is my style. If you choose to recreate, please give me credit for it. And here it is. These are called the Touch Me Not jeans, where I combine 2 things that I love, which is fashion and of course art that is very weird. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next week in another DIY Sunday video. Please give the Hangout a huge subscription. It would definitely help the channel a lot. Again, thank you so much for watching. Bye.